my friend. Today is good news. Guess what? We are going to use verb to love in a way of making a sentence. I think everyone is going to enjoy this. Nariho ndi kuvuga nyine uyu munsi kari munsi very special ko tugiye gukoresha ya nshinga gukunda mu nteruro, kuko nta na rimwe umuntu yaba atanezerewe iyo abwiwe akajambo k'urukundo. Niyo mpamvu rero nk'uko wifuza kubwirwa ngo ndagukunda, niyo mpamvu ugiye kwiga uburyo uzajya ubikoresha ubibwira your beloved one, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband. Okay, uzajya ubibwira umugabo wawe, umucuti wawe, abacuti bawe, abantu bo wiyumvamo nyine. Okay, let's get started. If someone say, I love you, what do you mean? What do you understand? I love, which means there's something missing. What do you love? There's something which is you must mention, which whom you love. Especially you're talking love somebody, not love something. It's love of somebody. Interesting, ne? Yeah, twariho tuvuga nyine ngo niba uvuze ngo ndakunda, ukunda nde? Ukunda nde? Ni muri iyo nzira rero tugiye gukoreshamo gukunda. Okay, let's get started. I love you. We'll be using the words which is show a person. If I say I love you in Kinyarwanda, ndagukunda. Ushobora no kuvuga ngo, you can even say I love them, ndabakunda. I love her, wow, ndamukunda ariko ni umukobwa. I love him, ndamukunda ariko ni umuhungu. I love myself, ni ukuvuga ngo ndikunda. That's possible. You must also love yourself. Ni ukuvuga ngo birashoboka ko nawe ugomba kuba wanikunda, kuko umuntu atanga icyo afite. You give what you have. First you have to love yourself. Mbere nabwo ugomba kwikunda kugira ngo ubashe no kugira uwo nanone rwa rukundo. Okay, let's start. I love you. You love me. Ndagukunda. I love you. Ndagukunda. You love me. Urankunda. She love him. Uvuga ngo wa mukobwa aramukunda. No, he love her. Wa muhungu aramukunda. I'm not gonna say it because I wanted this love. It must be for somebody, not for. Maybe, yes, let's just make a try. Maybe it's a cow love his child. You can use it, maybe it loves his child. Ikunda umwana wayo. Okay. we love you uvuga ngo turagukunda. You love me uvuga ngo turamukunda. noneho ubwa mbere ni we love you, twari benshi ariko dukunda umuntu umwe. noneho you love me, noneho uvuga ngo wari umuntu umwe, you love, ukunda abantu benshi. Okay, they love you, noneho baragukunda. That's interesting. They love you. bashobora kuba ari abantu benshi ariko bakunda umwe. They love you. bashobora no kuba ari abantu benshi bakunda abantu benshi. They love them, ngo barabakunda. Thank you guys, I hope you have learned something. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much, and I will always love you. bivuga ngo nzahora mbakunda. Thank you.